This is number 6 in your chapter review for chapter 4, where you are asked to simplify each rational expression. And so this is one where you've got to factor both the numerator and the denominator. So when I look at the numerator, I don't see that those terms have any greatest common factor. So I'm just going to try to factor it into two binomials. I know the product of the first two terms needs to be x to the fourth. Well, x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. I know the product of the last two terms has to be negative 30. That means one's going to be plus, one's going to be minus. And those numbers have to add up to 7. So 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10. If the 10 is negative and the 3 is positive, then those would add up to negative 7. So I've got x squared plus 3 times the quantity x squared minus 10 on top. Now on bottom, it's a little trickier, but it's doable. I don't have a GCF again. I know the product of the first two terms has to be 2x to the fourth. So the only way to get 2 is to multiply 2 by 1. So to get x to the fourth, I'll take 2x squared times 1x squared. Now, I know from my grouping method that that when I multiply the first term by the constant, I get 6x to the fourth. I need to find two numbers that multiplied together equals 6, but added equals 7. Well, the only options would be 6 and 1. So we need either the outside product to be 6x squared and the inside product to be 1x squared, or vice versa. The outside product to be 1x squared and the inside product to be 6x squared. So the only way to do that would be to put your 3 here and your 1 there. And again, it's 3 and 1 because we need the last times the last to equal 3. And now you notice that if you check your outside product, that is 6x to the second power. Inside product is 1x to the second power, and they do add up to 7x to the second power. So now the question is, does anything cancel? And as a matter of fact, we see that the x squared plus 3 cancels the x squared plus 3 on the bottom. And therefore, we end up with just x squared plus 10 on top and 2x squared plus 1 on bottom. No more canceling can be done because of the addition in the numerator and denominator.